Starting a YouTube channel in 2024 using the power of AI is actually easier than you think. If you are a new creator but you don't have a good niche idea, you just click the right video. The niche I'm about to show you today is totally untouched. Not only with YouTube AdSense, you can make a lot of money through selling merch for this niche. This niche is called Mystic Creatures. The specialty of this niche is that there is no specific audience for this niche. Everyone loves to know about this stuff. That's why this niche can get tons of views. In this video, I will show you step-by-step guide to creating a channel regarding this niche. At the end of this video, I will share some secrets to get more views on short videos. Let me show you a sample video I created using this process. Shoggoth, a name that resonates with fear, finds its origins in the eldritch tales of H.P. Lovecraft. But what is a Shoggoth? Let me spin you a tale that will send shivers down your spine. Deep within the shadowy recesses of forgotten caves and hidden ruins. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, we need a name and description for this channel. As usual, we can use ChatGPT for that. Simply ask, give me 10 fresh name ideas for YouTube channel about mystic creatures. We have 10 name ideas, and I really like this one, which is Mystic Creature Quest. Let's ask for a description of this channel as well. Give me a small description for a YouTube channel about mystic creatures. Now we need a logo and a banner for our channel. For this process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. It's a free art-generating AI similar to Midjourney, but it's very easy to use. As you can see here, there are a lot of images. Let's select this one and click Generate using this model. Now all you have to do is select a suitable size from the side menu and select the number of generations, and then simply type this prompt. Just like this, you can create a logo for your channel. By changing different types of characteristics, you can get different types of logo ideas. So if you are not satisfied with the results you got, you can change the prompt and try again. Now we need a banner. Let's go to Canva and create a banner. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free. Go to Create Design and select YouTube Banner. This banner should be simple and clean. I will use Leonardo AI to generate a suitable background image. Just change the image size from here to 1024 pixels for width and 5 of 12 pixels for height and generate an image. In this side menu, upload the image that we generated using Leonardo AI. I think we can use this image and adjust its size according to dimensions. And let's add a text layer as well. I will add something like Explore Mystic Monster World. Now we have a logo and a banner for this channel. Let's go to the most important part, which is creating videos. First, we need a script for this video. There are two ways to do it. The first method is you can search on Google and find suitable stories about the mythical creatures, then turn them into your own words and create a unique script. Or you can just simply use ChatGPT to create a script. For this example video, I'm going to make a video about a creature called Shoggoth. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us a good script about this creature. You can use the same prompt or change it according to your requirements. As you can see here, ChatGPT generated an amazing script for this video. The next step is to create voiceovers for this video. I will use 11 Labs for this. Once you sign up, they will give free 10,000 characters. That's more than enough for 3 videos. If you can afford the paid plan in 11 Labs, use it. You can select a suitable voice from these settings. There are a lot of voices for different types of things. For this video, I will use a deep voice. I'm going to select this AI voice called Josh. I think this voice is good for this video. So copy the generated script part by part like this and generate the voice. Generate voiceovers for all parts of the script and download all of those. Now let's go to the next important step, which is finding suitable stock videos and images for the videos. So why is this so important? I've seen a lot of new channels using only AI-generated images for their videos. But according to YouTube's new policies, that type of content cannot be monetized. So in order to overcome this issue, we need to be creative and put some effort into editing these videos. Pexels.com is one of the best places to find stock videos. It's a free website. Select videos from this search menu and search for suitable videos. For this video, we need videos related dark places and caves. After you download all the stock videos you need, let me show you how to generate suitable images for this topic. Again, I'm going to use Leonardo AI for this process. Now, you need to listen to your script several times and create images for those scenarios. As an example, this video is about a mystic creature called Shoggoth. so we need images related to that. Make sure that these images are eye-catching, and those should be able to grab your viewer's attention. So according to your scenario, you can build the prompt. You just need to type all the characteristics that you would like to include in the image. After you create all the images, we need one last thing, which is background music. Pixabay is the best website for copyright-free music, or you can also use YouTube Music Library for that. Once you find the best music for your video, download it. Now we have all the things to edit this video. I'm going to use CapCut for this process. It's a free video editing software, and you can download it to your computer or mobile. Click Create a new project. On the side of the screen you can see a button called Modify. Just click it and you can change your project name and select a suitable size for your video, which is 16:9 ratio. After that, click this Import button and import all the images, voiceovers, music and videos to this editor. First, drag all voiceovers to the timeline like this and make sure they are in the correct order. Then drag the video footage above it, and then you can follow these steps. Just do it. Like I do, I will just add images here and there as well. Make sure to add the images in a suitable place with the script. Just take your time to edit this part because this is really important. You need to put much effort into making this video look better. If not, you can't monetize it according to new policies. After that, go to transitions and add transitions in between these videos and images. It will improve the quality of the video. There are a lot of transitions in CapCut. All you need to do is drag and drop. After adding all transitions, you must add some video effects as well. Go to Effects and add effects like this. By adding these suitable effects, your video will look like a professional level edit, so you don't have to worry about getting demonetized. Add as much as effect you want, but make sure it is suitable for your niche. After you complete that process, we need captions. Go to Text from the top menu and select Auto Captions. Just select your language as English and generate the caption. It will automatically generate the captions. Then we can edit these captions as well. You can change the fonts, text colors, and text effects from this menu. Make sure to edit your captions in an interesting way so that your viewers will not get bored. Also, you can add text animations. It will improve the quality of your video. After you edit the caption, you can add the background music to the timeline like this and make sure to reduce its volume. Your viewers should be able to hear the voiceover clearly. After doing all these things, you can export your video. Just follow those steps exactly like I said, and I'm sure your channel will be monetized. Let me tell you the secret I mentioned earlier. Be patient and stay consistent no matter what. You will definitely have that one video that will go viral and break the internet. Just keep posting regularly and keep improving your videos, changing video styles. So that's it from today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys find something helpful, do give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.